Hello everyone, so today we are going to try drawing Vegeta. So let's start with his eyebrow. Just curve out to the left. Okay, and then another one to the right, going up. And let's give it some thickness. So tapering down to nothing in the middle. Go up here and down. Alright, let's draw the outside of his eye. Just come down on the left side here and then curve down towards the middle and up. And we'll do the same on the right side here. Curve down, go in, and then up. Let's draw his pupils right there at the top, and we can go ahead and blacken that. Actually, let's just go ahead and darken his eyebrows as well with a thicker marker. Okay, let's refine that outer part a bit there. Okay, good. Alright, couple wrinkle lines right here, just kind of following the angle of the eyebrows. Alright, and then a couple more wrinkle lines underneath the eyes and under there. Okay, just a slight indication of his nose with a crescent right there. Okay, now let's draw his mouth. Basically a U-shaped line under there, and this is gonna curve at the corner and go straight down and back up like that, and then connect those two lines. Okay, basically we have a almost like a rectangle that's wider over here. Okay, so let's draw his upper teeth with a curve right there and then up, and then the lower teeth are actually gonna follow this line here and then come in, and we'll blacken that part. Okay, and this line here, we'll draw a parallel line like so. Okay, now let's draw his hairline, which is going to come from about this dot up to here. So let's just go ahead and draw a line up here first, and then on the other side it's going to come up to here. So let's just draw that line. Okay, and his forehead comes out to about this far. So we're going to go ahead and start curving this line just to the right of that eyebrow. Okay, we're going to come in a little bit here. Alright, now his cheek is going to come in at an angle this way to the corner of his jaw, which is about here. So let's just draw a straight line, and then his chin will be here. So we'll curve that to his chin. Alright, so on the other side we'll finish his hairline again by curving down just to the left of the eyebrow. Okay, just like here, we're gonna step in a little bit and down, and we'll draw his ear, which is right here. So curve out and in. Okay, now we'll finish his jaw. Let me just bring this in a little bit. Draw a line here to start the line and draw a curve to meet up with his chin right here. So go down and start curving and meet. Okay, let's draw some detail of his ear. So just on the inside of that line, we'll draw that, and kind of like a 6 right there, and then another line, and that should be pretty much it. So let's draw the other ear. So his head's a little bit tilted, so the bottom of his ear will be, say, right here. So we're gonna go up and over, back, out, and back, and again a couple lines here, and then a short line right there. You know, you can vary those lines really. Okay, let's draw the most important part of his head here, his hair. So pretty wild. Let's go all the way at the top, right above this ear, straight up, right to about here. Let's put a dot, and then below, right above his, you know, maybe the center of his face here, go straight up, but below there, let's put another dot here. Okay, and then on the side of his face, go straight up and maybe a little bit lower. So we've got 3 dots. So first let's go ahead and draw a line straight down on over here, and then this one may be slightly tilted. And actually I'll just go ahead and use my thicker marker. Okay, and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go down first and then curve it to meet here. So down and then meet that line. Here we're gonna go ahead and draw a curve. So from here, curve down to meet that line, and then going back to his hair here, just to the right of his ear, let's put a dot about level with that, the top of his hairline. From here we're gonna draw down to his ear, and then we're gonna draw a short line towards the face. Now we're gonna draw a curve to connect those two. Angle it a bit there so that there's a corner. Okay, let's do the same on the other side. So probably about right here, just to the left of the ear, we'll draw a line. We'll put a dot there, draw a short line, and then just like here, we're gonna come out, kind of have a corner and come back down. So out, corner, and connect that line. And there's going to be another point right here, so just to the left of this, let's put a dot, and again draw a short line in, and we're gonna connect those two. Okay, and finally one more. Let's just draw a line out here from the ear, come back with a short line, and again come out and in. And that's pretty much his hair. So let's just draw a couple of details here in his hair. So let's draw a curved line right there, maybe, then a curved line here. Continue this line. Continue this line this way, and then maybe another shape like that right there. Continue this line in, and that should be good. I'm just gonna go ahead and darken this line here now. since it's part of his hair. Okay. That should pretty much do it for his hair. And you know, if you feel like it's not right, this is pretty much going to be all black. In fact, I actually want this to go a little bit higher. So I'm going to just go ahead and go a little bit higher with this. And then these lines right here in the middle aren't really going to show once I blacken this whole thing. But we can always make those lines gray so it'll stick out. But I'm just going to go ahead and blacken this whole area now. Alright, I've got my king size Sharpie here. Oops, almost had a disaster there. Okay, this will just make it so much faster to blacken, fill in all these areas. Okay, so let's get back to his body here. Right underneath the chin here, we'll draw a small oval and come out and meet up with his chin. And then here, come out and start heading back. And we'll do something like that by coming out and back. And basically a couple parallel lines here. Alright, continue this line up. And then we're going to draw his arms. But first let's go ahead and draw his hand. So first let's draw his thumb. We're going to come out for the tip of his thumb, up. That's where it's bent. And back towards the palm. Okay. And then we'll draw his first finger. Come on out. And in. And draw the fold. And then the next finger. Come in. Going and meet the thumb. Next finger, come out and back. And last finger, come out and back. Alright, let's draw the rest of his palm here. Come up. Okay, there's his fist. So now let's draw the rest of his glove here. His white glove. And just draw a curve, just like that. Draw a wrinkle line right there. And let's draw his upper arm. So, curve down, and then a line that goes up, that's the side of his arm. And then here his elbow is going to be right here, so come down and then the elbow and back up. Alright, so let's draw his other hand again. Let's see here, we'll draw the hand a little bit differently on this side. So first let's draw this side of his the upper part of his fist. Okay, we're going to continue this curve up and back, and then starting here, go up and back, and then his middle finger, we'll just go ahead and come down, and then his index finger is going to come up and not quite go as far as that middle finger. So then we'll draw the thumb right here, just connecting the index with the ring finger. Okay, and just like here, we'll draw the rest of his glove, which is going to go around here. So from here, draw a half circle, and then draw the side of his forearm, come down, and then step back and draw the upper arm. Okay, so again, we'll draw down to the elbow and back. Okay, next his legs are going to be back here underneath him. He's flying towards us, so let's draw his one leg over here, and all we're going to see is his upper leg. So come down to his knee and then come back up. And same thing here, we're gonna just come out to his knee and then back. And then let's just show a little indication of his foot here. Oops. And a foot right here. And another wrinkle line right here, some character lines really, line there and there. Alright, that's pretty much it for Vegeta from Dragon Ball. Thanks for watching and have a great day.